Hey everyone, so we are on our way to Lancaster. It is our family Father's Day tradition to spend it all together, and due to work schedules we gotta go to my parents.
Yep.
So we're doing something new. We're visiting a campground that's literally like a mile down the road from them.
Yeah, I'm surprised we never visited this campground before. The name is White Oaks.
Well,
right?
we visited, but not as campers. Remember when my brother stayed there?
No, I wasn't here, so it's gonna be my very first time.
Oh, you weren't there. Oh, so it's gonna be, we're tent camping because our RVs that are seasonal. Well, they're tent camping. I'm sleeping in my parents' house.
Yeah, are you surprised about that?
And my brother is trying out his teardrop that he made himself.
Yeah, that's gonna be excited. I'm very much looking forward to checking it out.
Yeah.
So
Hope you enjoy.
all right, let's drive. So as you can see, it's raining. Fawn already ditched me. She's at her parents, and I'm here to set up the tent on the rain by myself. So first trip with a teardrop. Are you happy, Zoe? A little bit?
It's kind of disappointing. It's rain.
Yeah, it
Alright.
sucks.
We'll have some fun.
How was your trip? All right, let me move my truck.
Okay.
What are you doing, Afton?
I'm trying to hammer this tent.
When was the last time you had to do this?
4 years ago?
4 years ago? Whoa.
No, 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Yeah, because
That's
you guys
about
are now
right.
RV years.
What you doing, babe?
Chilling
Where are you sleeping tonight?
in my RV. I mean, in this beautiful
Wow.
mansion back there.
What a
Maybe you should
beauty.
start a little podcast.
What,
Do a
Mama?
little podcast, East Coast off the grid.
RV East Coast
Off
off
the
the
grid.
grid.
Grid. Maybe
Should
for
be
your
a-
first segment, you should recommend camping close to your in-laws so they can bring you whatever you need.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm sure every RVer out there is dying to be near their in-laws.
Hey, they're in a tent away from them. They're not sleeping in the same house, right? They can go to the camp time.
Are you getting sick of your in-laws?
And Zoe, you brought me a little gift.
Yes.
Should we show our audience what the gift is?
Yes. Show them.
Are you sure you want me to show them?
Yeah, they're gonna be very happy.
They're gonna be happy. All right, I have it right here in my hand. Ready?
It's a toad.
There you go.
It's acting very still.
Oh my God, Fawn is gonna die. Don't you dare to tell Fawn that we find him here.
Wait, what if you wait? Is this a video?
Yes.
So what if she watches this video?
She's gonna find out then. That was great. Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. This time I'm gonna do it. You coming too, Arlo?
Okay.
Well, Arlo, come in the front so you can jump last. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. So my brother-in-law is building this teardrop, and this one was the first trip with his little trailer. Still needs work. He's you know, improving it every time, but this one was the very first time he took it out, so he's hitching it up. So what do you say, man? First experience with the trailer, how was it?
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
So it's very comfortable.
Yeah. You feel you still have a lot of work
Well,
to do?
The leak I gotta address.
You found a little leak during this thing,
Some
right?
water running in. I'm not sure if it's coming in.
But it wasn't too big. It was just
not,
a tiny
not
one.
too bad. It dried out, but it's a lot more comfortable to sleep in than I thought.
Show me quickly around. So you have like a little storage box here.
Yep, we have our storage. Just for odds and ends stuff. It actually holds a lot more than I thought.
Yeah, and that little jack, you installed it or did it come with the trailer?
This I installed. This I had to get made.
Okay.
So the little tongue jack.
Oh, this little metal plate, you had to have it made?
The plate I had made. This I bought separate.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, the trailer actually, the front comes off for store, like you can.
Oh, so you can make it more, even smaller to like
Yep.
put it in a corner in the garage or
Yeah.
something.
You could basically separate all of this from the front.
What about those doors?
So each door has the windows with the screen. Went with the 2 doors so you can get out of either side.
One door on either side, and then in the top you have a little
roof
vent there.
Yeah, just to get some, just to allow some heat to escape. It seemed to work pretty well.
And the back is like a door too. It opens, right?
Yes, they have the hatch. The hatch door opens up, and there's 2 struts that keep it open.
Yeah, which in this case it was perfect because you were sleeping here, and when you open your back door, you have this amazing view of Lancaster in the back. You have also little stabilizer jacks.
Little stabilizer legs that telescope. So you just put them down at when you got your front set, and they tuck right back up in.
Nice, nice. Have you put many hours into it?
Well, it's been 3 years since we had the idea, but
Couple hours like every other weekend.
yeah, a little bit here and a little bit there. Every couple days, pull it out of the garage, work on something. It's surprising how much time it took.
It took, yeah.
But a lot of it was trial and error. You try something, it didn't quite work out. You have to try something else.
Yeah. Roughly how much you have put into it so far?
In total, in material, there's probably no more than 3,000 somewhere in that area.
Yeah, and inside, just we don't have to open it now because you already packed it up. But inside is pretty much a bed, and then you have a few storage options in there.
There's 4 storage. There's 4 storage areas in the camper that go right out to the trailer. So there's a lot of storage inside. The bed only comes to about here, so you can store, like I have camp chairs and odds and ends stuff here, a little bin for shoes. But yeah, inside's pretty much unfinished, just open wood. There's a little we hook our lamp and our fan too.
And what many people do is they turn the back into a little kitchen, right?
This could essentially be a galley if you put a board here, or put a piece there and cabinets, and you could have a little galley. I just didn't want to go quite that far until we see how it worked, but I think it feels a lot bigger.
Yeah.
without it, and I think space. And one of the reasons we didn't do the design that came more, more sweeping down in a traditional teardrop style.
Yeah.
This is more like a can or
Yeah.
what the term was, but you have more room. So
Yeah.
even I can sit up in here.
And you can fit this thing anywhere. Like in this case, we are camping at a tent site, and then you can tow it pretty much with any car, right? Like you don't need a big, like
Right.
that's an overkill for this
Right, it'll pull it
this
just
teardrop.
fine. It's probably, I'm guessing it doesn't weigh any more than maybe 500 pounds. It may be not. That might even be.
I weigh more than that.
A lot. So
Yeah.
you can easily wheel it around by hand.
Yeah.
I would pull it in and out of the garage by hand.
Yeah.
So it's.
Well, thanks for showing us.
Oh yeah, no
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah, so we are already packed. My tent was here. It's all gone. And my truck is back there. And we are heading out. So thank you for coming with us in this little weekend. Tenting. Back to the basics. It was fun. It's been actually 2 years, 2.5 years since I used my tent. So it was nice to remember how easy it is to RV and how much I like my trailer. So anyways, that was our weekend. My name is Eli. This is RV East Coast. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Are you getting sick of your in-laws?
No, never sick of the in-laws.